Saxon Phonics, Lesson 90, Assessment 17. Section 1, let's spell some words. Number 1, music. Music. M-U-S-E-K. M-U-S-E-K. Music. Number 2, clover. Clover. Cl-O-V-er. Cl-O-V-er. Clover. Number 3, fever. Fever. F-E-V-er. F-E-V-er. Fever. Number 4, minus. Minus. M-I-N-U-S. M-I-N-U-S. Minus. Number 5, crazy. Crazy. Cr-A-Z-E. Cr-A-Z-E. Crazy. For section 2, go ahead and match each letter sound to the picture. If you need more time, pause the video. We are skipping section 3. You can cross it out. The next section is done with a parent or guardian. Read the word for them. If you get it right, put a check. If you get it wrong, put an X. With a parent or guardian, you're going to complete this section as well. Put a check if you named the letter right. Then go over the sounds. Each letter has 2 sounds, the long and the short sound. You can put checks for those, or you can write them. The short sound has a breve above it. It looks like a little U above the letter. The long sound has a macron above it. It looks like a straight line over the letter. Then the last section. Jake has a horse. His horse likes to chomp on grass, hay, and sweet grains. Jake will brush her and take her for a ride in the woods. After he gets back, he will brush her again and let his horse cool off. He will offer her a drink and rub her belly. This will be Jake's way of thanking her for a nice ride. Number 25. What does Jake have? Reread the paragraph if you need help. What does Jake have? Number 26. What does Jake's horse not like to chomp on? Grass, hay, mice. What does he not like to chomp on? And number 27. What will Jake do to thank his horse? Take her for a ride, rub her belly, feed her.